Transform your Toyota RAV4 2020 to 2023 with the Ainavi 13.1-inch car radio featuring Qualcomm processing, wireless CarPlay, and 4K entertainment. Premium performance, top-level X6 model equipped with Qualcomm's 665 8-core chip, 11nm technology, and 2.0 GHz speed. Choose 8GB RAM with 128 or 256 GB storage. Built for endurance, integrated cooling fan, HDMI output, fiber optic audio, and car gyroscope. Handles intense multimedia without overheating. Seamless connectivity, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto with automatic connection. Use your phone apps effortlessly while keeping focus on the road. 4K Entertainment Center. Install YouTube, Netflix, TikTok, Spotify, Waze, and Google Maps. Watch 4K videos and control everything via steering wheel buttons for safer driving. Perfect factory integration. Frame designed to match original radio shape. Plug-and-play cable installation means no complex wiring, preserves original features. Comprehensive support. Retains steering wheel controls, car information display, original rear camera, 360-degree camera, JBL speakers, hybrid systems, and radar. For RAV4 owners who demand cutting-edge multimedia with factory precision, this is the ultimate upgrade. Explore it on Aliexpress, where innovation enhances your drive.